Hey, this is Jay Worley. I'm going to do a little video intro tutorial to what I chose to use, which is the Screencasting, the Google Chrome plugin. I think that's a little bit more lightweight, a little bit more my style. I think it would be a little bit better than downloading an actual full app and all that and everything. So I chose to do that. And I think the two areas that I would use it most would be first doing an actual video blended lesson, flip sort of classroom sort of thing and everything, where I can have the students go home and do some of their content learning at home and maybe do a couple of demonstration problems, of course. The big thing for me is being able to draw on some sort of ink screen and everything, and Microsoft Word, which is where my content is at, would be a great format and everything because the latest Office 365 has that ability to ink and everything. So I can take my existing content and I can draw an ink on everything, which as a math teacher is monumentally important. And then I think the second thing, which was hinted at in some of our readings, is if I can give an online assessment or something like that, like in my Canvas tool or Quizlet or something like that and everything, that might allow me to pop up a short little video to walk a student through an example if they get a particular problem wrong. So in just a second, I'm going to switch over and do kind of like a little demo of how I would use screencasting in more of a traditional lecture sort of mode or something like that. So we'll start that in a second. My mouse would rather not try to use the touch of the screen and everything, but let's see if we can give it a try here. So we've got the little tool here to draw with, so I can come in here and I can do this. I can say 2x plus 5, as an example there and everything, so my students can follow me along. And then I can come in here and erase it. Okay, so with this content here, we see that it's some trig content, and we can tell that we have a particular angle here. Angle, let me see here what I got. Angle AB, triangle ABC, where angle 90 is the right angle. So we come over here and we could draw that, right? Draw a quick little 90-degree angle. And we know that, let's see here, that angle B has to be the 90 degrees. We're going to put that there. We'll put A there, and we'll put C there, right? So AB is going to be 8, and BC is going to be 15, and then we're told that AC is 17. So we don't have to use the Pythagorean theorem or anything like that to go find a missing side. So tan of AC, we come in here, and let me give you a little red, nice. Come in here and say, hey guys, this is our focus right here. Let me redo that with red. This is our focus here on this angle right there. And even, let me go in here and change the size of that a little bit more so it's a little bit more pronounced. So hey everyone, this is our angle that we're looking at here and everything. It's our focus, angle C, tan of C. So we know that tan is opposite over adjacent, and we can now realize that we can quickly form this as a ratio of 8 over 15, right? And then next we've got sine of A, so our focus comes up here on this angle here. We know that sine is the opposite over opposite over hypotenuse, and so we can come in here and we can do a quick little erase on that, and then let's do let's do this crazy color here. We can do this as the opposite here, and then here's the hypotenuse, which is always opposite our right angle, right? And so now that we can tell that 15 over 17 is our correct ratio for sine of A. Okay, very important. And then we do a quick check to make sure that the ratio is from 0 to 1, because we know that sine and cosine cannot have a ratio of greater than 1, or our calculator would throw back an error. So that's my little demonstration here. Let me see how it turns out. Thank you.